Hi guys, we're here at Festival Mall and I'm looking for a branded wireless mic, and we're here at the coffee shop first. I'm drinking coffee and there's my son. Then later I will do wireless mic hunting. Bye guys. Hi guys, I'm here looking for a branded wireless mic na, and I'm going to look around at the DG shops. Baka nagtataka kayo bakit hindi ako sa TikTok nag-order. Actually nag-order ako but out of stock po yung brand na hinahanap ko. Dalawa na yung aking pinuntahan, but yung in-orderan ko po, but out of stock po siya. So no choice kundi maghanap po dito sa mall. Kasi alam ko po meron din dito na mga iba nag-sale, and baka sakaling makakita po ako ng mura. Yan po. Bye guys. Hi guys, and we're done. Me and my son are done, and I saw one. This is the last two I saw, and later I will unbox it at home. I'll make a video of it. So bye guys.